Lehkmen ya ke Republik Day ke wanyau paunyau ha Jowai depan man ya kan ni ke sengi Hamadan Drislen chudu ku Jowai hewa ukurmen shela MLA da wan wo penher ya ke lama keri we de chimu ya ke Rashtriya Salute nei benta ki khat nyau tali ki dahap wale ya ke match pass wa kan thup ya ki District Police ke kyang nang ba Government College NCC Unit Jowai ke Thomas Jones Synod College NCC ke Government Girls Higher Secondary School ke Jowai NCC Contingent ke Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guides Jowai wa khat artali ki skur Hagani ke lehkmen da wan le ki chnat sorkar wo phieñ rong ya ki scheme de lang ki kam wa de le ki nagi wa le match pass de yo nong kong ke PM Shri School JNV Mukhla he wa ar de yo ke Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai kat wa he le yo ke Tom Memorial Higher Secondary School Muralong Jowai Nagi khat le ki chnat sorkar ki wa da wan wo phieñ rong ya ki kam ki jam yong ki ke District Commerce and Industry Center DCIC West Giant Hill District Jowai de yo nong konggo ka District Prison and Correctional Home West Giant Hills District Jowai de yo awar ko katwa ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society West Giant Hill District de yo ko heveli Hagani ke lehkmen da samle ki khusnam chagi Aisha ki ANM ye le bha ki ha ka World Population Fortnight arajar pausan ka Rejoy la pasam ANM namu ka yaw sub center da pangkup buram yaka ye e chakri ko yo pangkha khon i yarap upman sngau tho kamon em kam wo kha khon de wa yang katu ka ni snem wa ki wi de ki kam kalama muro Aisha ka klik tersi NSC da pangkup buram yaka ya ki kam wa de le ko nei benta ki kan thai kam chi benta ka sas bahu parti sammilan hapo commission parivar vikas MPV de lang irap ko wo pen sngau tho ye em kam wo pen duna khon we wo perkhat kat won ngut em kam khon kini ki wacha pangkup buram le yo gi le ya ka song paisa de lang ka certificate da pen phu pen phieñ ya ni ka sngi da ki chat ki rwai wa ipen her dingkum da ka dor ba chnong chilyang rai we da lai sambam le cheki khana ka children's home da ki chnat sorkar wa ki seng ki imlang sa lang
Higher Secondary School, Jowai, NCC contingent led by Ms. Chnat. We now have the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides commanded by Mr. Jowai. Approaching the Civic diet is Police Public Secondary School, Jowai, under the command of Miss Jessica Wyrta. Next to march past is the PM Shri School, Jowai, Navodaya, Vidyalaya, Mukhla, commanded by Shri Wyrta. First, Memorial Hill Higher Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Mr. Phooh. Next, we have QC Springside Higher Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Mr. Phooh. Approaching the screen dais is Jangya Higher Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Mr. Rama. Washing and even drinking after proper purification. It involves capturing rainwater and then conveying it to a storage tank or recharging it using pipes, and often includes filtration to remove the
helps in strengthening livelihoods, generating rural employment, and supporting the transition towards market-oriented and commercially viable floriculture in West Jangidans.
This next tableau is from the office of the Executive Engineer with the BD Road. Frequent congestion and delays. Road widening is not feasible due to the excessive land tenure and ownership constraints, making internal expansion impractical. Therefore, the construction of dedicated bypass connecting the National Highway 40 extension to the National Highway 44 has become
Livestock healthcare services at the farmer's doorstep, disease surveillance and monitoring of livestock and poultry diseases, to attend outbreaks of livestock and poultry diseases on a priority basis, awareness and castration of male animals, animal healthcare during national calamities or outbreaks.
By engaging in hands-on experiments, collaborative group work, and teacher-guided learning. This tableau also reflects green and sustainable school practices by integrating solar energy, rainwater harvesting systems, and school gardens.
Treatment, referral, and lifestyle modification and the services are available through the health and wellness centers right from the sub-center levels, the PHCs, CHCs, and the district hospital.
It showcases key welfare interventions such as PMMVY, One-Stop Center, Women Healthline 181, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Unique ID, and Childline 1098, promoting dignity, accessibility, and inclusion. Formed by the Ashoka, Chakra, and the Tricolor, the tableau conveys the message of an inclusive society.
And waste management. Reading of MSMEs also refers to the adoption of sustainable, eco-friendly, and resource-efficient practices. practices. Embracing breeding in MSFEs can also create new opportunities for innovation, job creation, and social inclusivity. Thus, breeding of MSFEs initiative will not only address the sector's significant environmental impact, but also promote sustainable
craft and carpentry, enabling inmates to earn wages and prepare for integration into society. Guided by the vision of reform, the prison works towards restoring dignity and responsibility, truly reflecting the motto, changing lives through corrective measures.
The next tableau is from the Divisional Forest Officer, Janja Hills Territorial Division, Jowai. There are three wildlife divisions. In addition to the natural forest, further increase the green cover in Janja Hills, barren land, denuded land, degraded land, and mining affected land were being taken up for afforestation work or plantation.
The initiative begins with soil health cards, which guide farmers on soil nutrients and proper use of fertilizers for better soil fertility. Through the Kisan Credit Card, farmers receive timely and affordable credit for seeds and farm inputs, enabling cultivation on time and improving yields. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana provides crop insurance
Project in Meghalaya. The objective of the project is to ensure access to water for enhancing sustainable and efficient water-based livelihood opportunities, to enhance resilience to climate change, and to establish institutional mechanisms for community ownership and integrated management of water resources.
for today's youth. Through training and placement partnership, MSSDS offers opportunities in sectors such as media and entertainment, healthcare, hospitality, construction, and information technology. It also showcases self-employment training in trades including photography, beauty and wellness, fashion designing, tailoring and embroidery, mobile repairing, and many more trades. Through these initiatives, MSSDS